This video is an introduction to library search. This video will cover the following topics: how to get started with library search, how to use filters to get what you need faster, and some unique features of library search. Library search is a tool that allows users to simultaneously search across multiple library resources, both physical and digital, through a single search box. You can access library search from the library's website at library.appstate.edu. The default search scope will search App State physical items, electronic items, requestable physical items from other UNC schools, and articles available in full text. To view other scope options available, click on the yellow search box. Here you can use the drop-down menu to view the other scopes in addition to everything. You'll see App State only, Pre-K-12 materials, special collections and archives, and course reserves. For now, let's take a look at Search Anything. Let's say you're working on a research project on the impact of the Paralympics on athletic communities. Enter a few keywords like Paralympics and athletic communities. After you press search, you'll see there are resource filter types located below the search box. Please keep in mind that these change depending on your search scope. For example, if I change the scope from everything to pre-K-12, you'll see that they changed. For now, I'll return to everything. If my research assignment requires academic articles, I can select articles here. From the search results screen, there are a few things to note. First, if you're not logged in already, you might be prompted to log in. This will allow a more comprehensive list of results. Second, you'll see that there's an option to expand your search to search for items available from libraries worldwide. This will open up your options to interlibrary loan. Third, on the left-hand side, you'll see that by default, your search query is searched within the full text of articles. You can turn this off if you like. Your results are also sorted by relevance. There are other options including date, title, and author. Continuing down the left-hand side of the page, you can see there are a number of ways to continue to narrow your search, including availability, resource type, date, subject, language, and more. It's important to note that your search does not automatically include a newspaper search, but you can easily perform one by clicking Resource Type, Newspaper Search, or scrolling down to the bottom of your search results and clicking on Newspaper Search. Moving back to the filter options, I'm going to narrow down my search. You have a couple of options. You can either click on the tab to narrow or check the box. I'm going to check peer reviewed and then change my date to 2020 to 2026 and apply filters. If I want these filters to be remembered throughout my search, I can click Remember All Filters. If at any time you want to exclude something from your search, there's typically an X next to that option. After you're done filtering your search, you can review your search items. For each item, you'll see the item type, the title, information about the title, and how to access. For example, this is an article, Female Paralympic Athlete Views of Effective and Ineffective Coaching Practices. It is peer-reviewed. You can see that it's available to access by download PDF, read article, or view issue contents. The quickest way to access the article is download PDF or read article. Do you have questions or need help with research strategies? You can always ask a librarian. We're available via chat, email, phone, online, and in person, and we're always happy to help.